All right, so we're here at the trash house, as you can see behind me. And if you listen closely, the kids are up on the hill. You can already actually hear them arguing. They've only been working for about 20 seconds, and they're already fighting over picking up trash. I'm not sure exactly what they're fighting over, but let me show you around. This is Saturday number 2 of the cleaning. We're only able to get out here on Saturdays and do the work days. So let me show you what we're planning. So this is what we did last week. Cleaned up the front yard. And my wife is at her job today, not helping us out, so we don't have the mower. But this hill right here, see, there's the driveway. We're hoping to clear most of this hill. This is all blackberries. So in other words, decent time of the year. It is absolutely perfect because it's full of blackberries, but it's nasty and overgrown, and you couldn't even get to most of the blackberries. They're buried in the brush. And so we're going to try to clear off a bunch of that with the weed eater and such, and then start cultivating the blackberries a little bit. And then if you come up the hill, there's wee girl carrying something. She's actually doing exactly what I told her not to do. Carrying stuff down here instead of putting it on that red box over there. And we're going to try to clear this hill. It's where the old chicken coop over there, where Wee Man is, and the hoops and all that mess. And yeah, that's the goal for today. Benaiah's putting new blades on the weed eater. Having fun, right, Benaiah?
Yep.
Yeah, all right. And so I will let you see it before and after later.
2 snakes in one day.
Some color on them. Not bad. Snake. All right, so now it's time for the after picture. So trash trailer behind us for reference, and let me show you what's in front. So there, it may not look like much, but that's what it was, all that right there. So that's where all the blackberries were. Benaiah, where's Benaiah? Right there, Benaiah on the weed eater, got about 6 foot cleared back. We even found some concrete. I don't even know what that is. It's like a big concrete pad that's been broken up. And then we also, some trash. Some good trash. Well, good. A lot of trash. What do you want to tell them?
We found 2 snakes.
Yeah, 2 snakes. Well, they'll have already seen those in the video before they get to this part. But yeah, you held one too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, did it try to eat your face off or anything? No? No? All right, everybody had fun? Who had the most fun today?
I held 2 snakes.
I held 2 snakes, yeah. They're not too excited because, yeah, it wasn't fun. It wasn't fun. Who's happy we're done?
Me.
All right, there we go. Hey guys, Dr. Dave here in Rugged Dad headquarters, where all the magic happens. Just a quick thing at the end of the video here. I want you to go to my website when you get a chance and check out The Rugged Journey. It's a new membership platform I've just launched, and it's pretty awesome because we're creating a community of non-wacko, family-friendly prepper types, people who want to keep their families safe. As like I said, not the wackos. And so just check it out at theruggedjourney.com, and let me know what you think. If you join up, I am looking forward to seeing you in the group and sending you all kinds of cool prepper stuff. All right, y'all take care.